Hello everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Merlin Next project by Merlin Group, which is located near Behala Chowrasta Kolkata. So friends, this is the main road in front of the project and this way leads towards Behala Chowrasta. This is the surrounding of the project. And this way leads towards Maheshtala Dagghar. So this is the location of the project. This project carries 2 towers of 11 floors each and will offer 2 and 3 BHK apartments for the residents. The location of this project is Raidighi Modh, Behala Chowrasta. So it's a recently launched project by Merlin Group. So this is the view of the construction site of Merlin Next project. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.